In this video, I'm going to show you how to tone your core and increase core strength without going to the gym. Recently, I showed these exact same core exercises to a patient of mine who's been recovering from chronic back pain. And after doing these core exercises that I'm about to show you, he tells me that his back is feeling stronger, feeling better, and also more stable. And that's a good thing. I'm Dr. Walter Salubro, chiropractor in Vaughan, right here at Back to Health Chiropractic Center, the place where chronic pain sufferers come for corrective chiropractic methods that help restore spinal alignment, correct posture, alleviate pain, and increase overall quality of life without using drugs, injections, or surgery. And today, you're going to learn the 7 best exercises for strengthening your core. And the nice thing about these core strengthening exercises is that you can do them at home with no equipment and without going to the gym. So why are core exercises even important? Doing exercises to strengthen your core is important because it protects your back from recurrent back injuries. You see, core strengthening exercises target your abdominal muscles and the key extensor muscles of your lower back. They also engage the very strong gluteal muscles as well, which are important for overall core stability. So in this video, I'm going to show you my favorite core stability and strengthening exercises, and I will demonstrate them to you in a sequence that I actually would recommend. Okay, here we go. Core exercise number 1, Supermans. Supermans are great exercises because they can be done prone and really help engage the extensor muscles of your lower back. And this is how they're done. And now moving to number 2, core strengthening exercise, prone cross crawl. Prone cross crawl is a great sequence to the one you learned earlier, which was the Superman. It still engages your extensor muscles on the posterior side of your back, and it also adds some extra coordination because of the crisscrossing with the arms and legs. This is how it's done. Okay, now let's progress with a bit more intensity with core strengthening exercise number 3, the prone plank. Now we're going to begin to engage the abdominal muscles with this prone plank position, as well as the extensors and gluteal muscles. And you do it like this. Core strengthening exercise number 4 in this sequence is the full plank. I love the full plank. It's a great sequence to the prone plank, and it helps to progress the exercise, add more difficulty and more stability, and helps really engage those abdominal muscles, gluteal muscles, and the extensor muscles of the lower back. And this is how you do it. The last in the prone sequence is core strengthening exercise number 5, the bird dog. Bird dog is very good. It helps add more stability as you're engaging the abdominal muscles and the extensor muscles of the back, because you're getting that cross crawl that you did with the prone cross crawl, but now you're on your hands and knees. So it adds way more stability and help increase coordination of those stability muscles that are important for the core. This is how it's done. So let's move on to core strengthening exercise number 6. We're going to turn on our backside now and get onto the supine core strengthening exercises. And this is going to be called the bridge. Bridge is great. It really helps engage the gluteal muscles, your extensor muscles. And as you're doing it, try to activate your abdominal muscles as well. So let me show you how to do this bridge. And now number 7 in this core strengthening sequence of exercises is dead bug. Dead bug is a great exercise. It's another supine exercise. You're on your back. We're gonna add some cross crawl in the supine position, really help engage those abdominal muscles as you're doing this cross crawl. And it's a great sequence after the bridge. This is how you do it. Now, before I leave you, I want to give you a bonus tip exercise. It's a squat. Squats are great. You're going to hate me for them when you try them, but they're great. Really help engage the glutes. As you're doing the squat, also contract and engage your abdominal muscles, and then your extensors are also firing to keep in that upright position. And let me show you how to do it. Now, if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on very cool updates and videos just like this. Go ahead and subscribe today by hitting that red button below. And remember to also hit on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any notifications when I put out new videos just like this each and every week. And now it's your turn. Which of these core exercises will you try first? Will it be one of the prone exercises like the Superman, or will it be a supine exercise like the bridge? Let me know by leaving a comment below. Tell me which one you'll do first. To learn more about how corrective chiropractic care at Back to Health Chiropractic Center can help you with your chronic pain problem, visit www.ibthcc.com. Back to Health Chiropractic Center is located at 20 Cranston Park Avenue, number 6, Vaughan, Ontario, L6A2W2.